Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to explain difference between pre-increment and post-increment with example in C++. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our code, and we are going to explain what is pre-increment and what is post-increment in C++ program. So this is our hash include iostream library, and then you see integer x value of 5, and then you see pre-increment. So what is pre-increment? The pre-increment operator increases the value of the variable before it is used in an expression. Now you see plus plus before variable x. Now you see comments also. X is incremented first, then assigned to pre-increment, and then you see std scope resolution operator, and then you see cout. So std is the standard namespace in C++. It contains all the standard library function and object including input and output functionalities, and then you see cout. So this is an object of the ostream class used for outputting data to the standard output stream, and then you see scope resolution operator. Now you see pre-increment. So this is our text we are going to print. Again you see pre-increment, we are using same value. Now you see end L for next line or break line, and then you see value of x after pre-increment. So pre-increment assign value before it is used in expression. Now you see our initial value x5, and then you see pre-increment. So it's mean this value will be 6, and then again you see cout value of x after pre-increment, and then you see post-increment. So we initialize value of 5, and then you see post-increment. So we are going to print post-increment, and also we are going to print value of x after post-increment. So what is post-increment? So the post-increment operator increase the value of the variable after it has been used in an expression. Now you see plus plus before x. So we are going to run it. Click on run, and then you see output pre-increment 6. So this is a cout because pre-increment assign value before it is used an expression. Now you see 6. Again you see cout value of x after pre-increment. Again you see 6, and then you see post-increment initial value of 5, and then you see integer post-increment x plus plus. So we are going to cout or print post-increment and also value of x. Now you see post-increment 5 because in post-increment value assign or value increase after it has been used in expression. So this display 5 and then used in expression. Now you see output 6 value of x after post-increment 6. So this is our post-increment and pre-increment in C++ program. So if you have any question, then let me know. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.